Hey y'all, welcome back to Miss Prissy TV. So I will be bling out this mug, and it's a girl with locks, and I'm putting this on top of surface vinyl. So you will need a mug, you will need some type of picture that you want to use to bling out. I'm using my pick me up tool, my E6000 glue. As y'all know, I always keep like some type of paper towel around by me, using black SS16 stones and orange SS16 stones. Right now my plan is just to bling out the locks, but I'm gonna have it two-tone, kind of like how mine are. Don't know if I'm gonna add anything to the lips. And I have my trays. I love these trays. I'm gonna pour some inside. Let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the black part up here. I'm gonna do majority of the hair will be black. And normally I spread it on like this. Make sure to cover up the E6000 because it spills out, and then I smooth it through. So this has been one thing that I've been making lately. I find joy out of it. Before this video is over, I will show you some of my other creations that I did with these mugs. And I'm just placing them, hand placing them. This is very relaxing to me. That's why I enjoy doing it. I actually want to get some other stones out. I have the black stones in another size. I'm not sure which millimeter this is. I cannot recall. This is mixed, but the other ones, I got these for free from someone that I purchased some stones from, so I appreciate that. And as you continue to do this, you'll learn which size stones you need for whatever project you're working on. That's how I learned. So I started out with like the mixed sizes first, and then as I became more knowledgeable about them, I said, oh, okay, I know which size to get now. And again, these little trays have ridges in it, so if the stones are flipped over, all you have to do is shake them and they flip over. Not all of them, of course, but they will flip over when you need them to. I have a lot inside of here, so. But yeah, I enjoy doing this because it's just relaxing to me. And then like just seeing creations that you yourself did. Like, I can't believe I made this. Some may find it corny. I've had people ask me, why do you do that? I do it because I enjoy doing it. I'm doing what I love to do. So that's what keeps me, going and making it, because people like it, people buy it. And it's just something that I enjoy. And that's what you have to do in life. You have to do what you love. As long as you're not hurting anyone or doing anything illegal, do whatever it is that you love to do. Especially if it's giving you income. And people say, wow, you have a lot of time on your hands. That takes a lot of patience. Yeah, and it's funny because I don't think I have patience, but I guess I have patience for this because I enjoy it. It's just crazy. I really feel like I don't have patience. But maybe I do. I don't know. This is how it's coming along so far. And see, it's black on black, so you can't really tell until you're like up close, or if I take a video of it, you'll see like it kind of gives it like it has a texture to it. So when I first made it, I thought it was really unique and dope at the same time. So if anyone would like to purchase any of the mugs that I made similar to this, or any handcrafted creation that I made, you can visit www.symphoniestreasures.com. You can also go to Symphony's Treasures on Etsy, because I still have my shop open on Etsy as well. You can check me out on Instagram at Symphony's Treasures. And please don't forget the S. Everyone forgets the S when I'm telling them the name of my business. And you don't have to use a whole lot of this E6000 glue. A little goes a long way. And then you don't want the glue to start pushing up through the stones, making it look sloppy and gooky. Well, I don't know if that's a word, but that's the word I use. So these are also some other mugs that I made. This one says entrepreneur. It's a hashtag. I also do monogram. And this is the finished product of that one that you saw me working on. And these mugs, the actual mug is dishwasher safe and microwave safe, but of course once I add the stones on, you don't want to do either of the two. You want to just rinse out and wash. And I also send care instructions with it. So definitely do not wash the mug, do not submerge it in water, rinse the mug out right after, and do not put it in a microwave. So guys, that is today's video. It's a DIY on a blinged out mug. Comment, like, subscribe. Be sure to visit my website at www.symphoniestreasures.com. Subscribe to my email list. You get 10% off of one item. Follow me on Instagram at Symphonies Treasures. Have your own style. Pow, I'm out. Peace.